I'm Steve Sellers, and I want to talk to you about FlexFactor, a transformative program designed specifically for youth. Led by experienced youth program managers, we guide students to think critically, to solve real-world problems, and explore exciting careers in STEM and advanced manufacturing. FlexFactor adapts to your needs. We offer either a 9-week workshop experience or a fast 3-week sprint. The journey begins in the classroom, where students identify real-world challenges and then brainstorm innovative solutions. From there, they design a cutting-edge product, diving into every detail: sensors, processors, power sources, and more. Students are taught to think like entrepreneurs, creating business models that include market research, cost analyses, advertising strategies, and competitive positioning. With guidance, they craft professional pitch decks and prepare to present their ideas. FlexFactor goes beyond the classroom. Students visit local manufacturers, gaining a first-hand look at cutting-edge technology and career possibilities in these areas. They also tour college campuses, exploring educational pathways that align with their aspirations. The program culminates in a final awards ceremony where students pitch their innovative solutions to industry leaders. It's a moment of celebration and pride, showcasing their hard work, creativity, and newfound confidence.
90% of students leave FlexFactor being more interested in STEM, business, and advanced manufacturing. And 96% of teachers bring the program back year after year. With almost 3,000 Bay Area youth impacted, our youth program is shaping the innovators and entrepreneurs of tomorrow, while breaking barriers for historically underserved communities.
FlexFactor integrates seamlessly into existing curricula while aligning with state standards, including Common Core, Next Generation Science Standards, and career technical education. Together, we are equipping the next generation to lead, to innovate, and to create a brighter future. If you're interested in bringing FlexFactor to your school or youth organization, please get in touch with us.